Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the FESTOOL TXS 12 2.5 Plus. This compact screwdriver is designed for ultimate convenience, making drilling and screwdriving a breeze, even in tight spots. With its ergonomic design and lightweight build, you can work comfortably for hours. The brushless EC Tech motor delivers impressive performance that lasts. Switch between drilling, screwdriving, and angled applications effortlessly with the FastFix interface. No tools required. Equipped with a high-quality lithium battery, you'll enjoy long operating times and protection for your workpiece. Plus, the integrated LED light ensures you never miss a spot. Whether you are assembling furniture, installing skylights, or tackling interior finishes, the FESTOOL TXS 12 2.5 Plus is your go-to tool for precision and versatility. Get ready to elevate your projects.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.